Hi everybody, we are a la carte cooking happy hour. Thanks for tuning in. We are here every Sunday, 3:30 Pacific Standard Time. And we did last year during 2020 quite an extensive wild roots. Oh my gosh, it is Sorry, we're in 2022. I don't know what year I'm in. 2021 was last year, for those of you that are paying attention to whatever dates are coming out of my mouth. Anyway, we did, now I don't know if it was last year or in 2020, now that I say that. Anyway, doesn't matter. Thank you, Wesley, for catching that. He's like, what year are you in? We did a lot of cocktails using wild roots, and I was thinking about our cocktails this week and I was like, you know, I really kind of want to revisit them. So today we are going to make, obviously we've used this one once, right? This one has not been used very much at all. So today we are going to use this one. So for the Huckleberry, we are going to make one of Louise's favorites, a lemon drop. And actually my mom's, now that I think about it, she really likes a lemon drop too. So this one's obviously going to be not just a yellow lemon drop, but it's going to be this beautiful like burgundy color. So we're gonna do wild roots vodka, Meyer lemon, and then of course our simple syrup, our Demerara simple syrup. You could do a heavier lemon if you wanted to. We're gonna use 1/4 of a lemon, and I'm gonna dial back the Demerara sugar simple syrup because the Meyer lemons, in my opinion, are a little more on the sweet side. If you saw our cocktail, I'll put a link to it, where we did 2 different beverages, one using the regular lemon and one using the Meyer lemon. There is a bit more of an orangey, citrus, sweeter note to the Meyer lemon than the regular lemon. They are a little bit more on the pricey side. So if you're trying to be conscientious about that, maybe you stick with the regular lemon and up your simple syrup. So let's go ahead and get started with our, ooh, that's a good sound, our vodka. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 ounces of our Huckleberry vodka. Wild Roots, shout out to you in Sisters, Oregon. You guys do some awesome products. Let's put this over here for a moment. And then I'm going to squeeze in our lemon. And again, if you want more lemon, feel free to use it. You could also toss in a splash of citron vodka, or if you have a mandarin liqueur too, you could use some of that. There was a lot of juice in that. My goodness. Very nice. And for Grant's sake, I took all the seeds out. I made sure there were no seeds in there. So we're gonna start with just 1/4 of an ounce of our simple. It was a smidge more than 1/4. All right, and then we're gonna shake this and strain it. All right. I like to shake it until I hear, like I can feel little bits of ice broken up inside. All right. And you could garnish this, if you could find them, with some huckleberries. But I don't ever see them around here. I've had them once this past summer when I was in Idaho. Shout out to Courtney for having those. Ooh, look at this. That's so pretty. Hey, this would make a really good Valentine's cocktail. I just thought about that. Valentine's is coming up next month. This would make a beautiful accent on the table to your Valentine dinner if you guys are cooking at home. There's our beautiful martini. Oh, I'm so excited to taste this. Very simple. Huckleberry vodka, Meyer lemon juice, simple syrup, shaken. Oh my gosh, that is so good. And I think for me, the 1/4 ounce of simple was the perfect amount. If it was more, it'd be, for me, too sweet. If you like it a little on the sweeter side, maybe you add 1/3 to 1/2 ounce of the simple, but I think this is perfect. Oh, or if you're using a regular lemon, you might want to use a little more simple, but this is delightful. I'm curious, do any of you have recipes that you like to use with a huckleberry vodka? Have you used a huckleberry vodka? And if so, what have you made with it? I'm really curious because I feel like this is such a unique, I mean, it's huckleberries, right? I don't think that's something that you see on a regular, it's certainly not something that I see on a regular like cocktail menu. Not like you would see, you know, a margarita or a dirty martini, like those are common. But a huckleberry martini, not very frequently. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Super appreciate you. We're here every Sunday, 3:30 Pacific Standard Time. We are in 2022. And we will see you next Sunday, same channel and same time. Thanks so much. See you then.